Hello YouTube land, this is Ing Matthews again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing rope twist. Some people call them rope dreads, some people call them Senegalese twists. I call them rope dreads. So we're just gonna get right into it. Got them back. This is a fresh twist, fresh retwist, and so there's not a whole lot that I need to do with my hair because it's already retwisted. It's already pretty much done. Got a fresh shape up that I did myself. So all I need to do now is just grab a couple locks together and twist them up. I use these little rubber bands, secure hold. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's just some rubber bands that I got from CVS. I don't necessarily like these rubber bands, poly bands, because they tend to break every now and again. So I might have to put like 2 or 3 of them on each rope dread, just to secure that they don't unravel. Okay, well, enough said. Let's just get started. I usually like to start from the side, like under the top. Hello guys, yeah, on this section here I sped things up a little, just to save time. I love doing my own hair. It beats waiting in, a lock shop, waiting for 10 or 12 people ahead of you to get their hair done. It seems that natural hair and dreadlocks are super popular these days. So if you can learn how to do it yourself, I would say, take the time to invest in learning how to do it and save money. That's a great way to save money if you could do your own hair. But yeah, some people call this two-strand twist, some people call it rope twist, some people call them rope dreads, some people call them so many other things. But at the end of the day, it's like a two-strand twist. And I just have a lot of fun with this. You could put it in a bun, you can put it up like on top of your head, like a little top ponytail. What I would like to do is try to do like a top knot. I think that's what it's called, top knot bun with the two-strand twist or with the rope twist. Let's see how that looks. So maybe I'll make a video on that. Any suggestions, any comments, please comment below and let me know what you think. And in the future, I will be making more videos like this, how I do it. There's so many different ways to do it. Everyone, like I was saying in my other video, that everyone's a loctician. Everyone's a super professional on how to do locks. As I mentioned before, no one's ever been in my hair to twist it or wash it or anything like that. I've always done my own hair. It's just easier for me that way. Plus, I'm kind of particular. I kind of like my hair twisted a certain way. So I'm not sure if any other dreadheads are, in the same position as I am. That I am in is that you don't want anyone else, fooling around in your hair. And one thing I'm really kind of keen on energies. I really like positive energy around me, and not saying that everyone has negative energy or anything like that, but I just don't want anyone who may have like energies that are contrary to what I have going on in my hair, that transferring of their energy onto me or into my hair. I'm just real particular about that. But as you can see, I'm almost done. Just grabbing a few more here. So continue to watch and enjoy, and wait till you see the finished product. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, in this section here, I realized that I missed a dread, and now I'm fiddling around in the back of my head trying to figure out which two-strand twist I can add that to that makes sense. Where does that one belong? And I discover it's that one. So now what I have to do is take the rubber bands off of that two-strand twist and then add that single dread into that one, which doesn't And that's one of the fun things about doing your own hair, is that you really can't see the back. You just have to kind of like feel around with your hands and your estimate, and kind of determine if the parts are straight, things like that. I mean, if you have the time to, look at it in the mirror for a half an hour or so, but you can actually do this hairstyle within 15 or 20 minutes. If you have the practice and you've done it for a while, you can kind of feel where the parts should go and where the two-strand twist should go as an estimate. If you've been in your head yourself and you kind of have a feeling of what you want, you can kind of feel it out. And as I did this tutorial, I realized that I missed one, so I just had to redo that and add it in. Okay guys, in this section here, I am doing my signature hairline. If you've looked at any of my previous videos, you know that I don't use clippers on my hairline. I actually use a pencil, and I kind of like track it out and then add a little into the hairline and then blend it in with my fingers. Yeah, my father has a widow's peak, so it kind of like it's hereditary that my hairline is like kind of looks like it's receding, but it really isn't. But I cover it up, where I mask it by adding the pencil, which makes it look more natural to me. Some barbers use hair fibers, to make a clean hairline. To me, that just looks so fake when they do that. So I use a pencil, and to me, on my head, it looks more natural than just adding hair fibers. Or maybe I just don't know how to use the fibers correctly. I don't know. But I've been doing the pencil method for quite some time, and it just looks more natural to me. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe also to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.